Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in today's video, we will troubleshoot the SAP MM error, which is quantity entered 2 exceeds quantity 1 in PO. So the error message for this error is SE363. So this issue is commonly seen in service purchase order when the quantity in the service table is not updated correctly. So why does this happen? Whenever a service entry sheet is posted, or the consumed quantity is updated at the service table level. However, if the SCS is delisted or reversed, sometimes the quantity does not get reversed correctly. As a result, SAP still considers that the quantity as consumed, leading to the error quantity entered 2 exceeds quantity 1. Or this may like quantity entered, whatever the quantity you have entered that. So when I was solving this error, I got this error message as quantity exceeds 2 quantity 1 in PO, because in my PO the quantity was 1, but you can get any quantity over here. Let's say if you have entered 100 quantity and in your PO it is 110 in this way. So this is just an example. Quantity entered X exceeds quantity X in PO. So this is the error message SE363. So I have already created a test case in quality server in my practice server. So let's say this is my PO, okay, 4 5 and sometimes X step 0 27. If you check in purchase order history, see, first I have created the service entry sheet, then I have deleted it. Again I have created a service entry sheet, again I have deleted it. See, it is being deleted, okay. But if I will check in services, if I scroll to the right, so this is the quantity of the service, and we have one more field over here, actual quantity. So this actual quantity will be 0 when if the service entry sheet is deleted. But now here see, like, it is not yet updated as 0, it is shown as 10, because the service entry sheet which we have posted for 10 quantity, it got captured at the table level, but I will scroll to the right, but at table level it is still showing as 10 even if we have deleted the service entry sheet. So let's see at table level also. So how to check this service at table level? Let me show you. We will go to SE16N. So this is SE16N. Here I will enter the table EKPO. EKPO. So in EKPO, so this is the PO item level table. It's taking some time. Yeah, I will enter the PO number over here and execute it. So from EKPO we will be getting pack number. So if I'll insert the field pack number, so my pack number is 3. I will copy this pack number, I will go back, then we will go to service entry sheet table, ESLL, service table, service item level table, line of service packages, okay. Here I will enter my pack number as 3, execute. Now from this we will get the sub pack number. If I will open this, if you will double click here, as you can see, pack number is 3 and sub pack number is 4. I will copy this sub pack number and I will again pass this sub pack number as pack number in ESLL. I will click on execute. And see, we will get the all the service details, like what is the activity number which is being used. If I show you, see, this is the activity number, then how much quantity was there, and this quantity which is updated over here. So in this way we will get to know what service is maintained in this PO. So keep this in mind, how to check the service in table level from ESLL. So first from EKPO we'll get the pack number. That pack number will pass in ESLL. From there we'll get the sub pack number. Then again we'll come back in ESLL. We'll pass sub pack number as pack number in pack number section, and we'll get all the details for that services in the PO. Okay, so in this way now I will show you like how to resolve this error. So in order to resolve this error, we have a program called RMBest K3. So what I will do, I will quickly open SE363. So I am not authorized for SE363, as you can see. So we cannot do anything if I am not authorized. This is not a functional module, so we cannot test in this K3. No yaar. So I will show you in some other system like how this is done. Just a second. So I am in SE37 now. What I will do, I will enter the, sorry, not SE37. So I will go to SE38. So this is for app building. Now we have this program called RMBSTK3. I will click on execute. Here it is asking for Bestner, which is purchase order number. So what I will do, I will quickly grab my purchase order number. So let's say this is my purchase order number. If I'll enter it over here, so this is the simulate button. Like if we will click on this, it will just simulate what will be the entry, and see like HT cable layer term and testing work. So now what I will do, I will just remove this simulate and I will click on execute, and as you can see this has been done. So in this way this program helps in getting the quantity back. So whenever you will face this issue of quantity exceeds, just go to this SE38, run this program RMBSTK3, click on execute, give the PO number, remove the simulate sign from here and click on execute. And after this, the quantity which was updated wrongly in the table level, we can't say wrongly, but the quantity which was not reversed at the table level, so that will get rectified, and then the system will allow you to post the new service entry sheet. So in this way we'll resolve this error. I hope you like this video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad for more such SAP videos. So thank you for watching.